Our planet, Earth, is a marvel of breathtaking beauty and raw power. From the lush rainforest to the arid deserts, nature paints a vibrant tapestry of life. Yet beneath this beauty lies a force capable of immense destruction. This force, often unleashed through natural hazards, reminds us of the delicate balance we share with our planet. Natural hazards are a part of Earth's systems. They are events of extreme natural processes. These events can cause significant damage, impacting both human life and the environment. Understanding these hazards is crucial for our survival and the well-being of our planet. Natural hazards are a diverse group of events. They range from floods and earthquakes to hurricanes and volcanic eruptions. Each hazard has unique characteristics and causes. Floods occur when water bodies overflow, inundating surrounding areas. Earthquakes result from the movement of tectonic plates, sending shockwaves through the earth. Hurricanes, powerful storms with swirling winds, form over warm ocean waters. These events, while destructive, are natural occurrences. They have shaped Earth's landscapes for millennia. However, human activities are increasingly influencing the frequency and intensity of these hazards, amplifying their devastating effects. Floods are among the most common natural hazards. They occur when rivers, lakes, or oceans exceed their capacity. Heavy rainfall, rapid snowmelt, or dam failures can trigger floods, inundating vast areas with water. The consequences are devastating, causing loss of life, property damage, and widespread displacement of communities. While floods are natural events, human activities exacerbate their impacts. Deforestation, for example, reduces the land's ability to absorb rainfall, leading to increased runoff and a higher risk of flooding. Urbanization, with its concrete surfaces, further impedes water absorption, channeling it into streets and overwhelming drainage systems. Earthquakes are another formidable force of nature. They occur when tectonic plates, massive slabs of Earth's crust, collide or slide past each other. The resulting release of energy sends seismic waves through the Earth, causing the ground to shake violently. The intensity of an earthquake determines its impact, with larger earthquakes capable of causing widespread destruction. While we cannot prevent earthquakes, human activities can influence their occurrence. Activities like fracking, which involves injecting high-pressure fluids into underground rock formations, have been linked to an increase in seismic activity. This suggests that human interventions can disrupt the delicate balance within Earth's crust, potentially triggering earthquakes. Section 5. The fury of the wind. Hurricanes. Hurricanes, also known as cyclones or typhoons, are powerful storms that form over warm ocean waters. These storms are characterized by their swirling winds and massive cloud formations, which can span hundreds of miles. These swirling masses of clouds and wind derive their energy from the heat released when water vapor condenses. This process is crucial in the formation and intensification of hurricanes. As warm, moist air rises and cools, it creates an area of low pressure, drawing in more air and fueling the storm's rotation. This continuous cycle of rising warm air and falling cool air creates the powerful winds associated with hurricanes. Human activities, particularly the burning of fossil fuels, contribute to the warming of ocean waters, providing more energy for hurricane formation. The increase in greenhouse gases traps more heat in the atmosphere, leading to higher sea surface temperatures. Warmer waters lead to increased evaporation, providing more fuel for these storms. The more water vapor available, the more energy the hurricane can harness, making it stronger and more destructive. This can result in more frequent and intense hurricanes, posing a significant threat to coastal communities. The impact of these storms can be devastating, leading to loss of life, property damage, and long-term economic challenges for affected regions. Section 6. The human influence, a recipe for disaster. For centuries, humans have interacted with the natural world, often with unintended consequences. Our activities, driven by progress and development, have altered the delicate balance of Earth's systems. While natural hazards are inevitable, human actions are increasingly amplifying their impacts, turning natural events into catastrophic disasters. Deforestation, the clearing of forests for agriculture, urbanization, or logging, is a prime example of how human activities worsen natural hazards. Forests act as natural sponges, absorbing rainfall and mitigating the risk of floods. However, when forests are cleared, the land's ability to absorb water diminishes, leading to increased runoff and a higher likelihood of flooding. Section 7. Deforestation, unlocking nature's fury. Trees play a crucial role in regulating Earth's climate. They absorb carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas, from the atmosphere, mitigating the effects of climate change. However, when forests are cleared or burned, this stored carbon is released back into the atmosphere, contributing to the greenhouse effect and exacerbating global warming. The loss of forests also disrupts local weather patterns. Trees release moisture into the atmosphere through transpiration, contributing to cloud formation and rainfall. Deforestation disrupts this cycle, potentially leading to changes in rainfall patterns and increasing the risk of droughts in some regions. Section 8. Carbon emissions, fueling the fire. The burning of fossil fuels such as coal, oil and gas is a major contributor to climate change. These activities are deeply embedded in our global economy, powering industries, transportation and homes. However, the environmental cost is staggering. These fuels release carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, trapping heat and causing Earth's temperature to rise. The accumulation of these gases forms a thickening blanket around our planet, intensifying the greenhouse effect. This warming effect has far-reaching consequences, influencing weather patterns, sea levels, and the frequency and intensity of natural hazards. Unpredictable weather patterns disrupt agriculture, water supplies, and ecosystems, affecting millions of lives. As global temperatures rise, glaciers and ice caps melt at an alarming rate, contributing to rising sea levels. This not only threatens wildlife habitats, but also accelerates the loss of freshwater resources. This poses a significant threat to coastal communities, increasing their vulnerability to flooding and storm surges. Coastal erosion and saltwater intrusion further compromise the safety and livelihoods of these populations. Additionally, warmer ocean waters provide more energy for hurricanes, leading to more frequent and intense storms. The devastation left in their wake underscores the urgent need for action to mitigate these impacts and protect our planet for future generations. Section 9. Real-life consequences, a stark reminder. The consequences of human-induced climate change and environmental degradation are evident worldwide. The increased frequency and intensity of natural hazards serve as a stark reminder of our impact on the planet. From the devastating floods in Bangladesh to the catastrophic wildfires in Australia, the consequences are real and far-reaching. These events highlight the interconnectedness of Earth's systems and the urgent need for collective action. We can no longer ignore the warning signs. Our actions have consequences, and it is our responsibility to mitigate the risks we have created. Section 10. Our call to action, protecting our planet. The future of our planet lies in our hands. Every small action we take today can have a profound impact on the world of tomorrow. From the simple act of planting a tree to the collective effort of reducing waste, each step counts. We have the power to choose a different path, one that prioritizes sustainability, conservation, and the well-being of all living things. Embracing renewable energy sources like wind and solar power can significantly reduce our carbon footprint and help combat climate change. By understanding the interconnectedness of Earth's systems and the impact of our actions, we can make informed choices that safeguard our planet for generations to come. It's not just about large-scale initiatives. Even small, everyday decisions like recycling and conserving water can make a difference. We must reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, transitioning to cleaner and more sustainable sources of energy. This shift not only helps the environment, but also promotes energy independence and economic growth. We must protect our forests, recognizing their vital role in regulating Earth's climate and mitigating the impacts of natural hazards. Forests act as the lungs of our planet, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen, and they provide habitat for countless species. And we must work together as a global community to address the challenges facing our planet. Collaboration and shared responsibility are key to creating a sustainable future. By joining forces, we can develop innovative solutions and inspire others to take action.